ground, 881 Alpha Victor is at Fountain Blue requesting taxi for westbound departure with information uniform.
One Alpha Victor, I'll park your gram.
I'm sorry, one more time?
I'm answering you.
Oh, so I apologize. We're over at Fountain Blue requesting a taxi for westbound departure.
81 Alpha Victor, runway 30, taxi via Tango 5.
Runway 30 via Tango 5, 881 Alpha Victor.
Tango, runway 27 right, taxi via November 8.
Where is runway 30?
Runway 27 right, taxi via November 8, 1 Bravo Tango.
Alright, Tango 5 is what I gotta find. Here, you put it closer.
That's where we came from.
Tango 5? We came on Tango, yeah. But
No?
no, it was runway 2 something that we came in. Alright, there's runway 30. Alright. Oh, okay, there's runways right there.
Open like a ground, Baron.
That's runway 30 right there.
Clearing runway 27 right and requesting taxi to Orion.
463 Kilo Bravo, taxi to Ryan, first left turn November, right on Charlie.
Alright, Opa Tower, Skyhawk 81 Alpha Victor is at runway 30, Tango 5 requesting departure for a westbound departure.
Hey, 1 Alpha Victor, Opa Tower, cross runway 30, taxi runway 27 left.
Crossing runway 30, taxiing to runway 27 left, 881 Alpha Victor.
Opalaka Tower, this is Cessna 711 Juliet Sierra at the cement plant.
711 Juliet Sierra, roger.
Crossing 30.
711 Juliet Sierra, you can air left downwind from there for 27 left.
Open that window for now because we're not taking off yet. Cross over. Approaching runway 30. Cross this thing, I don't like crossing the runways. Know who's out there. Pocket behind this. 30 for 27 left. Oh, it's right here.
Cessna 1 Alpha Victor, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff, straight out to the west.
Roger that, clear for takeoff, straight out to the west, 881 Alpha Victor. Thanks so much.
And 1 Juliet Sierra, traffic departing runway 27 left, straight out departure to the west.
.128.6.
One Juliet Sierra.
6. Alright, we're ready. Windows closed. Flaps. Picture. Carb heat's off. Pilot heat, we don't need it right now. We set doors are closed and locked. Landing light is on. Taxi light is off. Transponder is on altitude. Time. What time are we taking off?
Check P501, turn right heading 090, contact Miami departure today.
Thanks for. Alright. Out of here.
Is that for Chick P?
Affirmative, sir, turn right heading 090 and contact Miami departure.
Turn on, sir, over departure. Have a good day.
You too.
Alright. 27.
Opalaka Tower, Falcon 80, Papa Charlie's ready at 27.
Falcon 880, Papa Charlie, Opalaka Tower, fly heading 270, runway 27,
ready?
Clear for takeoff.
Good to go.
7 right, cleared for takeoff, runway heading 2,000 feet, 880, Papa Charlie, thank you.
Opalaka Tower, Seneca 6, go Foxtrot, turning wide right base for 27 right.
Seneca 68, Golf.
Alright, airspeed's at 40.
Right, cleared to land, and traffic will depart prior to your arrival.
27 right, cleared to land, traffic will depart prior, 68
bump here on the way home.
Station 721 Sierra Charlie, ready for takeoff 27 right.
Station 721 Sierra Charlie, Opelika Tower, hold short, runway 27 right.
Hold short 27 right, 1 Sierra Charlie.
Cessna 1 Juliet Sierra, after completion of the touch and go, make a left downwind departure to the east.
All this tall stuff that's happening, we got to get over that stuff. All that stuff that's up there, we got to climb above it.
Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some exotic booze, there's a bar in far Bombay. Come fly with me, let's fly away. Come fly with me, let's float down to Peru. In Llama Land, there's a one-man band and he'll toot his flute for you. Come fly with me, let's take off in the blue. Once I get you up there where the air is rarefied, we'll just fly starry-eyed. Once I get you up there, I'll be holding you so near. You may hear angels cheer, 'cause we're together. Weather-wise, it's such a lovely day. Just say the words and we'll beat the birds down to Acapulco Bay. It's perfect for a flying honeymoon, they say. Come fly with me, let's fly away.
Tampa approach 81 Alpha Victor, requesting to descend into Tampa Executive. I'm about 6 miles out.
81 Alpha Victor, you can descend VFR discretion to the airport. No traffic is zero between you and Tampa Executive. Better service terminated. Squawk VFR for exchange is approved.
Roger that. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Right along the river over here. Alright, hold up. Tampa Executive Traffic, Skyhawk 881 Alpha Victor's 3.5 miles out. Going to be on a long final for runway 36. Tampa Executive. We'll see you here in a second. Right. That empty area right there? Empty field? Alright, we're going to be at 1,000 feet. Tampa, right ahead.
Oh, that's city.
Alright, one notch flaps.
That's he's well in city group.
Traffic, Skyhawk 881 Alpha Victor, 1.5 mile final, runway 36, Tampa Executive. Yeah, you don't have to because you're just talking to everybody else.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, so she ran away in her sleep. She closed her eyes.
Tampa Executive Calcutta. Stand 2219 Mike. Departing runway 5, there'll be a straight out departure northeast, Tampa Executive.
When she was just a girl,
Alpha Victor is clear of runway 36, taxi back to FBO, Tampa.